Need to map out ideas fast in 2025? Here's how to use Whimsical, the go-to tool for clean diagrams, flowcharts, and more. Step 1. Sign in to Whimsical and hit New File. Choose what you want to create: flowchart, wireframe, mind map, or sticky notes. Step 2. Drag and drop shapes, connectors, or icons. Everything snaps into place and looks clean automatically. Step 3. Use keyboard shortcuts to build diagrams super fast. Collaborate in real time with teammates or clients. Step 4. Add comments, change colors, and switch between dark or light themes for visual clarity. Step 5. Export your diagram as an image, PDF, or share a live link. Perfect for presentations or async work. Whimsical is simple, beautiful, and seriously efficient for visual thinkers.